Ever heard the saying, if you haven't seen Vienna, you've missed half your life? This city breathes history through every street and building. Today, I'm taking you to explore 6 of Vienna's most stunning and historic landmarks. Hi, I'm Ellie. I share clear and updated info about Vienna's top sites. Don't forget to check the official links for the latest ticket prices and ours. Number 1. Schönbrunn Palace. Schönbrunn Palace is a historic Baroque residence in Vienna, known for its beauty and royal past. Architectural style, Baroque, designed by Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlot. Entry fee, €24 for a grand tour. Discounts available for students and children. Dress code, comfortable clothing and walking shoes. Visiting hours, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., seasonal changes possible. Hidden secret, over 1,400 rooms, but only a few are open to visitors. The world's oldest operating zoo, opened in 1752, is located here. A secret tunnel beneath the palace was used for emergency escapes. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Important note, for Schönbrunn Palace, it's highly recommended to reserve your tickets in advance, especially during peak tourist seasons, to avoid long queues and secure your visit at a specific time. Location, Schönbrunner, Schlobstrup, 471,130 Vienna. Getting there, Metro U42 Schönbrunn Station. Facilities, cafe, gift shop, stunning gardens. Number 2. Stephen's Cathedral. Architectural style, Gothic with Romanesque elements. Entry fee, free for general entry, €6 for South Tower, €5 for Catacombs tour. Dress code, modest attire is required, no shorts or sleeveless tops. Visiting hours, church, 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily. Tours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Hidden secrets. The South Tower, 137 meters tall, offers breathtaking panoramic views. The massive Pommern bell was cast from Ottoman cannons. Catacombs underneath house the remains of thousands from the Plague era. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Location, Stephansplatz 3, 1010 Vienna. Getting there, take Metro U1 or U3 to Stephansplatz station. Facilities, audio guides, souvenir shop. Number 3. Belvedere Palace. Architectural style, Baroque, designed by Johann Lucas von Hildebrandt. Entry fee, €16 for Upper Belvedere. Combo tickets for €25. Dress code, comfortable attire, visiting hours, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Hidden secrets, home to Gustav Klimt's iconic painting The Kiss. Gardens were inspired by the Palace of Versailles in France. Hidden underground tunnels, some still unexplored. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Location, Prinz Eugen Straße, 27, 1030 Vienna. Getting there, Metro U12 Südtiroler, Platz Hauptbahnhof, or Tram D, to Schloss Belvedere. Facilities, cafe, gift shop, beautifully landscaped gardens. Number 4. The Hofburg. Architectural style, Baroque and Neo-Renaissance. Entry fee, €15 for the Sissi Museum and Imperial Apartments. Dress code, no special dress code required. Visiting hours, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Hidden secrets, over 2,600 rooms, including a secret library. Ghost sightings have been reported in certain parts of the palace. Extensive underground tunnels, some inaccessible to the public off the palace. Underground tunnels, some of which remain inaccessible. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Location, Michael Lee Kapelle, 1010 Vienna. Getting there, Metro U3 to Harenga Station. Facilities, cafe, museums, gift shop. Number 5. Prater Park and Giant Ferris Wheel. Historical significance. Park established in 1766. Ferris wheel from 1897. Entry fee, park admission free. Ferris wheel, €13 per ride. Dress code, casual and comfortable clothing. Visiting hours, Ferris wheel, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., may vary by season. Hidden secrets, one of the oldest still operating Ferris wheels in the world. Huge green spaces perfect for walking and cycling. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Location, Prater 90, 1020 Vienna. Getting there, Metro U1 or U2 to Prater Station. Facilities, restaurants, cafes, playgrounds. Number 6, Vienna State Opera. Architectural style, Neo-Renaissance, opened in 1869. Entry fee, guided tours, €10. Performance tickets range from €15 to €300. Dress code, formal wear required for performances. Visiting hours, tours, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Performances, evenings. Hidden secrets, one of the world's most prestigious opera houses. Backstage tours reveal fascinating stories about the building's history. TripAdvisor rating, 4.5 out of 5. Location, Itinerary 2, 1010 Vienna. Getting there, Metro U1, U2 or U4 to Karlsplatz Station. Facilities, cafe, gift shop, guided tours. So, these were 6 incredible and historic spots in Vienna. If you've visited any of these places or have questions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming travel videos. Until next time, wishing you wonderful and adventurous travels.